equals my Dell P25G laptop fan makes a dodgy noise. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. A noisy fan typically indicates dust buildup or failing components inside. Cleaning the fan and replacing worn parts can solve the issue, restoring your laptop's performance. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.